Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, we are gonna make an rotating trap in Unreal Engine 5. So I'm gonna open my blueprints folder and level objects folder. Let's create a actor class and call it BP rotate trap. First, we need a static mesh. So I'm gonna use default cube static mesh, but if you have another mesh, you can use it. So I'm gonna set the X as 5 and the others 0.25. So it looks like a stick wood plank, you know. So this is ready now. What we need an rotating movement. So what is a rotating movement is actually turns the blueprint every second in this degrees. So if I set it 30, this blueprint turns 30 degrees every second. Okay, so the other things we want to do, let's add 2 box collision. Like that. Okay, and let's create 2 begin overlap events and get player character branch through for both of them. Okay, all right, what we want to do, we want to apply damage. I'm gonna kill instantly, so I'm set as 100 for both. Okay, so let's look, but first let's hidden in game and uncheck them so we can actually see on the map. As you can see, it turns. We can change the degrees or let's die. As you can see, it's killed the player. So if we change this to Y, it's turning like that, or let's set as X. It's turning like that. So the last thing I'm gonna do is set rotation rate and promote to a variable and instance editable, so we can actually set on map. As you can see, let's set a bigger number and it's gonna turn quite fast. So right now it's turning 90 degrees every second. So like 4 seconds is a row. But if I set it 30, it's gonna turn in 12 seconds. Okay. So that's it for now. I hope you like it. See you next time.